Okay, we are here with Jean Carlo, the owner of Boston Quality Cleaning Services and the manager of Kaplan Career Institute here in Boston. Is one of the branches in the country, and he is the manager, and he would like to say lots of wonderful things about Boston Quality Cleaning Service and show his facility and the courses provided here and in the level of satisfaction he is with the service provided by Boston Quality Cleaning Services.
Hi, so we opened our school here a little over 2 years ago, and as a brand new facility to train medical assistants, dental assistants, and medical billing professionals. And one of the things that was most important to me was the look of the facility, to make sure that both the students and the staff got the best facility possible. I found Jean before we opened, and we hired Jean to perform all of the janitorial, cleaning, and maintenance services. And so it's been almost 2.5 years now that we've been with Jean, and we couldn't be happier. The facility looks great. We've got, it's really one of the first things that students tell us when they come in to take a tour is, wow, this is a great facility, whether the students. We've also had advisory board members that have told us, and all of our home office visitors. I mean, it's the first thing out of anybody's face is, how great the place looks. And it's a tribute to Jean and Boston Quality, as they've kept it looking brand new. It's 2.5 years old, but it still looks as bright and shiny as it did the day we opened. Right. So we're really pleased with Jean Services. This where we're standing right now is a student lounge, and so students have the opportunity to eat lunch or eat dinner. Students come a lot of times during meals, and so this is obviously a really important place to keep clean, and Jean's staff keeps it sanitary, keeps it clean, and everybody enjoys it. I also want to show you a couple other rooms because we do medical training. And so we've got laboratory areas that need to be impeccably clean, and again, thanks to Boston Quality, the place looks great. So I can show you the dental room over here.
Go there.
This is a great room. Our dental assistants use this, and they learn how to do all of the chairside procedures. They also learn how to take x-rays, and so as you can see, everything needs to be sterile and clean, and the students learn how to maintain the environment. But again, Jean's crew keeps this place spotless and looks great. And so overall, we've been really satisfied. The other thing I would add is, I've called upon Jean several times in the last couple of years to go above and beyond. There's been times where we've been locked out of the building or needed the building locked up, and Jean is always quick to stop what he's doing, to run over here, lock up the door, open the door, whatever it may take. And so there's nothing that we've ever asked him to do that he hasn't done.
Excellent. Let me ask you this. Generally, when the office managers and managers like yourself hire an office cleaning company, they are a little bit skeptical at the beginning if the cleaning company will do a good job. What was your first impression, like the first week, what was your first impression about the quality of the service provided?
Yeah, it's a great question. I mean, we were obviously nervous in the beginning, especially since the cleaning services typically happen when we're not here to supervise. And so, I was always a little bit worried. We had a couple of other companies lined up that we'd gotten quotes from. But every morning I'd come in and the place looked great, and especially a couple weeks after we opened, we had a big grand opening where we had VIPs and people from all over the country, and they really spruced the place up, shined the floors up, and so ever since the beginning it's been great. Like I said, we've had them for over 2 years, and I don't plan on changing anytime soon.
Excellent. So another concern from offices around the Massachusetts area is the women always say we want our bathroom to be in pristine condition, and they always complain about other companies, office cleaning companies. And what type of comments did you hear about the women about the bathroom, the quality of the cleaning of the bathroom? Is it wonderful, amazing?
Yeah. Jean's crew keeps the bathrooms going very well. I mean, we've got pretty high traffic, a couple hundred students that are in here. It's a majority female staff and a majority female student body, and so the women's restrooms obviously get a lot of use. But they come in midday, they come in the evenings, and they keep the place spotless.
Excellent. Another thing is the address here. What's the so if people would like to come here and see your facility, the level of cleanliness, and also would like to apply to any of your courses, what's the address here in the Boston area?
So we're located at 540 Commonwealth Avenue in Kenmore Square. right at the intersection of Brookline, Beacon, and Commonwealth.
And what type of courses do you guys offer here?
We have 3 training courses. We have dental assistant, medical assistant, and a medical billing and coding specialist program.
Amazing. So all these facilities, they have to be in pristine condition, amazing condition, and you trust Boston Quality Cleaning Service to maintain that for you.
Absolutely, without a doubt.
And there's definitely a relationship between the level of the cleaning, the top quality of the cleaning, compared to the quality of the training that Kaplan Career Institute provides.
I mean, a lot of times, I think in almost any business you can go in and see the level of dedication and care based upon the cleanliness of the facility, and that gets commented, to me all the time is how great the place looks, and gives everybody a great first impression.
And this is the last question. It's in this type of economy, the affordability is very, very important. I mean, quality is very, very important, but sometimes in order to get quality, you have to pay a fortune. In this case, is Boston Quality affordable? What is paid to Boston Quality to maintain this top level quality of cleaning? Is Boston Quality affordable?
We found it to be very affordable. It's right in line with all the other quotes that we got, and again, the service has been flexible and everything we could have hoped for.
Excellent. Thanks so much, Mr. Adam. Your words mean a lot. Thank you.
You're
Appreciate
welcome.
it.
Thanks, Gene.